In this short film, I will try to explain you how to use my sweeper. The name of the sweeper is FlickrAnalyzer. First step is to get from this address this file, FlickrAnalyzer zip. This is archive file. Next step, after downloading this file, is to place this file in selected folder. So I will not copy, I just cut and go to the disk D. And for example, I will create a folder FlickrAnalyzer, and I will paste here this file. The second step is to unpack this archive just here. I will remove this archive file, and this I will move this to the level up, one level higher. And the third step is just to run by double click this FlickrAnalyzer jar this file with extension jar means that program is written in Java language, programming language. I select, for example, I want to check the pool from the Gold Star Awards nominees group. The groups are organized in file groups.txt in this order. First, for example, the first is group name, group ID, what is the award code, so you know how to use this. Eventually, admin award, if exists in the group. What is the next level group ID? For example, for Gold Star Awards Vision nominees, the group higher is Gold Star Crimson. For example, here the next level ID is ID, for example, for DSLR DSLR-L2, and this is not important. How many minutes must be to delete from the posting time to eliminate picture without comments from the group. So I will return to the main screen of this program. So I want to check pool from the group Gold Star Awards nominees, and I will check, for example, 2 pages, and each page has 40 photos. So I will check last 80 photos and additional 100 photos, checking only comments, not pictures, just comments given by author of each of these 80 photos. And this is the threshold. So picture will appear here when the photo has a required number of group comments. For example, 4 is for me enough. So I will start checking the pool of this group, and you can see that 4 photos or 6 photos now has enough number of comments. This is percent of checking photos, and this number ignored means that 9 photos and 12 photos is already on the next level. So when this checkbox is checked, ignore next level, so the program will not show these photos which are already on the next level. You can also, for example, ignore first 20% of the pool, and you can also can mark bad users. Bad user is a user which not user not commenting properly, who gave less than a limit for the group, other photos. So this I can sort users by its names, number of posts, but the most important is bad user. This column is important for the group Gold Star Awards nominees. The value, the indicator 3 or more means good user. This is bad users. We can also, on the right mouse click, I can go to the for example to this user to see his or her pictures, and I see that this user got one group comment, but not commenting at all. So for example, I can remove this photo from the group because of this. Or, for example, send to him, to Gerhard Wengler, and to send message for remind him that commenting is obvious. As I said, in this pane, I can see pictures, and I can also, on the right click, I can select good photos, and I have an information how many comments the users gave. This 8 comments for 2 posts, and this picture got 4 group comments from other users. In this group, the limit to go to the next level is 5. For example, this is me. This is mine, my photo. For example, this photo has 5 comments, and user is good user. So I can click to go to this photo, and to promote this user to the next level. Next level is Gold Star Award. Okay, so this is the main functionality. And for example, I can see, for example, bad user. Oh, this is bad user. This user not commenting. This picture got 7 comments, but Juan Baez didn't commenting at all. So this is the group activity. This is the list of banned user. So if I, for example, if I see back to the group, if I see the picture, I can go on the screen, and the program will check if this user is on the list of banned users. If information is in green background, then this means that the user is okay. But if this information is in red background, this means that the user is on this list. You can also change the configuration and a lot of other things. Thank you. I think that this is the most important to see how the program works. Thank you.